What is DNA testing used for? What do the results provide? Is it easy? Does it hurt? In today's advanced world of technology, the world of DNA can be explored. Biosynthesis Incorporated offers legal DNA testing. This testing includes the ability to determine paternity, maternity, siblingship, grandparentage, twin zygosity, and more. DNA testing has many applications. Our clients are typically involved in cases concerning child custody and/or support, inheritance, adoption, immigration, and more. In legal DNA tests, the identity of each sample donor is verified with a government-issued photo ID, and a chain of custody is established. All final reports are notarized. Fingerprints and photographs are taken at the time of the appointment. The sample collection must be performed by an authorized agent of an affiliate of Biosynthesis Incorporated. We have over 400 network offices across the U.S. where sample collections are performed. The majority of the samples collected are buccal swabs. However, clients may choose to have a blood draw if they are attending a network office for sample collection. Please be aware that appointment fees are higher for this service. All appointments must be authorized and scheduled through our main office. You can make your appointment by calling 800-DNA-EXAM. Appointments can be scheduled at different locations and/or different times for text participants who do not reside in the same location or who wish to schedule individual appointments. Please note that consent must be given by each adult sample donor, and a legal guardian must give consent for a minor child. After the collection has taken place, all samples are overnighted to our laboratory by the office which performed the DNA collection. Upon receipt, samples are processed and tested, and results will be available within 5 to 7 business days. DNA paternity testing will reveal a probability of paternity written as a percentage, which indicates whether or not an alleged father is the biological father of the child in question. A probability of paternity of 0% is called an exclusion and indicates that the alleged father is not the biological father of the child. A probability of paternity of greater than 99.9% is called an inclusion and indicates that the alleged father is the biological father of the child. The same percentages apply in DNA maternity testing. For all other familial DNA tests, a probability of relationship is determined and may range anywhere from less than 1% to 99% to 99.9999%. We are capable of providing higher probabilities if and when necessary. Original signed and notarized reports will be mailed to the authorized adult test participants or to legal representatives if and when necessary. Legal DNA testing for immigration purposes is also available. The sample collection procedure is the same for the petitioner in the U.S. We are AABB accredited and recognized by all American embassies and immigration offices. Please note that a copy of the letter requesting DNA testing issued by a U.S. embassy or immigration office must be submitted to our office before a test can be arranged. For beneficiaries outside of the U.S., a DNA collection kit and appropriate documents, including chain of custody, are sent to the U.S. Embassy that is handling the case. Upon receipt of the kit and documents, the embassy will schedule the DNA collection appointment, generally with an appointed panel physician for the individual beneficiary in that country. Biosynthesis Incorporated cannot schedule appointments for the beneficiary outside of the United States. The embassy must do this. Typically, it takes 4 to 6 weeks for the embassy to schedule an appointment once they have received our materials. After these samples have been collected, the embassy or the appointed panel physician's office will return the samples and chain of custody to our laboratory. Upon receipt of the samples, Biosynthesis Incorporated will process the test within 5 to 7 business days. The results are then mailed to the petitioner in the United States or legal representative. An original report is also sent directly to the U.S. Embassy or immigration office that requested the test. If you have any additional questions or need more information, contact Biosynthesis Incorporated. Discover the power of DNA testing today.